What is up, guys? Welcome back to J Mills Performance. Today we're going to be taking a little break on the red car, and we're going to kind of just be cleaning up the gold car and my wife's car. So pretty much right now the gold car is done. It's going to get as good as it's going to get until we start painting it. And this weekend I plan on getting this thing out and finish getting the rest of the wiring harness and stuff out of it, and getting all this sound deadening and stuff out. I've done cleaned up all my cut marks and everything, so I feel like all that's taken care of. I just want to end up cleaning this thing up. It is disgusting. So I'm gonna save that for this weekend, because as far as like all my stuff, so start washing the cars down. I'm gonna vacuum them out first. I'm not gonna record any of that, but here's everything I pretty much use when I'm washing the cars. This little Greenworks electric fucking pressure washer is amazing and super clean, of course. Got some microfiber drying towels. And Chemical Guys is great stuff. All of this is nothing but Chemical Guys stuff. It is amazing. Amazing when coming to detailing a car. But, so we got my wife's car out. Unfortunately, this happened. About 2 days ago, my wife was at the hibachi restaurant, and a Jeep backed right into my car. He didn't hurt my wife, my kids. They didn't get hurt. Nothing bad really happened to the car besides it's ugly now. Everything is still sound underneath the hood. Everything still looks good, and everything still functions, and she got to drive it home. He did drive off, so I did file a claim and everything, so we're just waiting to hear back from the insurance company about that. But I'm going to go ahead and start fixing this thing. So I've done ordered new headlights already today. And we already ordered a new fender. And if anybody's got a hood close to Burlington, North Carolina, for a 99 2000 Honda Accord sedan, or the two-door edition, don't matter, and you're located around here, please let me know. Drop a comment down below. But 1:54 in the morning. But alright, guys, it's time to go ahead and knock this out. I done vacuumed both cars out, cleaned all the windows on the inside, vacuumed them out really good, cleaned the dashboards. So yeah, now we're ready just to go ahead and wash these things, man. Get these things all cleaned up on the outside. I'm going to set you guys up, and we're going to go ahead and knock this out really fast. I think, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and yank this wing off real quick. way, guys. And always remember, dreams don't work unless you do, and dreams don't come true unless you work towards them too. So let's check this out. But yeah, guys, we got it all cleaned up, and I'm just super pumped. I can't wait. It looks so good without the wing on it. Now I just got to figure out how I'm gonna fill these holes. But yeah, she come out super nice. Go ahead and park my wife's car and the gold car spot for tonight, and kind of lock it down. So we got all of this done. This is all cleaned out now, looking nice. Everything's looking good. Car seats are back in it. This is why we got to get a Pilot, because we got 4 kids and this thing is... Thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed night.